I read the message to you. This is from NovSight. It's time for us to give back something to your viewers. So here have a set of H9, H11 bulbs plus high brightness signal lights, 2-pack, as a combo for you to do a giveaway to one of your lucky viewers. NovSight, thank you for your generosity, and I'm gonna use that to give one of you chance to win this set. I would like to get more of them and to give a lot more of them away, but let's do this one first. I will send or ship this anywhere in the world. If you want to enter the giveaway, there is one simple thing you have to do. Leave a comment down below by saying time for upgrade. Yes, it's time for upgrade. If there will be many people, like 10, 15, we will do a live stream where some random number calculator or whatever they are, they will pick up one number and we will go down the list and see which comment it is. And then I will obviously contact them. They will need to give me their shipping address and confirm it's them, and I will be sending them this set. But I keep an update on the channel posts, so keep your eyes on the channel posts so you can see what's up. And thank you NovSight for sending these out to give them away. I appreciate you. Thank you. If you want to support NovSight like they support us, go check out their website. It's in the description down below. Good luck to all of you, and I'll see you in the live draw, if you call that live draw. Yeah. Bye bye.